number 2, number 3. Bumboras, club. I never know. Jay, you can buy me a house, please. Suck your mother youth. Let me fuck you.
Wow, you.
You know, see, blame them get house. Come on, chat. Van, we are saying now. Where that's it?
Blame get house. Guys, we're going to use the double.
Oh, stop sticking out now.
What is this? This is a bonus thing. Eddie! Yes, thank you, baby. I am the phenomenal.
Jay, me rate it, bro. Believe me, rate it, bro. Mark.
Them people run out now, you know. They run out now, you know.
Mark, wait.
Oh, wow.
Wait.
Look, what is this?
Wait, bro.
Okay, we're gonna wait.
Probably do wait. Oh, no, wait. You know, so we're going to start take out me thing and just start swinging on the face, bro.
Guys,
long time I don't swing something on the face, you know. Jayden, your mom say aye. Suck your mother youth. Where you know mother from? Sorry, Vanya. Somebody eat them, man. I'm on them. Manager, sorry.
I didn't know you have such a big nose. Your nose is very, very ripe.
Bigger than the bottom where you buy. True. I read that, man.
Yeah, because Mr. M have an answer for everything. Chat 17 rows.
Come on, chat. 17 rows. 17 rows.
17 rows quick.
17. Go size are up.
17 rows is a triple team. We need this one. It's a
triple chat. Bumbo club. We can't feel that winning now. We can't feel that winning now.
Lord Jesus, guys.
We can't feel that winning now.
Catch the
speed. We can't feel that winning now. We can't feel that winning now. Send a Rosalie in the chat. Wait, Mark, wait. We can't feel that winning the chat. See that? Feel that winning, you know?
Triple.
Feel that one in the chat. Feel it, you know?
My team, the young generation.
Use the triple. Use it. Use the chat. Me and your father. Suck your mama. Come on, chat. Use the triple.
Triple team. But you don't put up no points. Triple team.
Google, thank you. Come on, chat. Come on. They're going to snipe enough. And you see them take so long. They're going to snipe enough. Unknown. Chat, come on, chat. Chat.
Eddie, thank you, baby. Tell them these young boys' money is not.
Chat. No.
They're going to snipe big for you. See them now. Move. Eddie.
Chat, come on, chat.
My husband, you don't see? Huh?
Wobbling, thank you.
Not
again.
Not enough. Eddie. Help out, Eddie. Forever.
Not late.
I'm phenomenal. That is it. That is it. Eddie, you have a gloves. You use it on 30 seconds. In can't win. Maybe you get one miss. Who did you get a miss? We use a miss for 20 seconds. They can't size up.
Clips, jump it out for 30 seconds. Come on, chat.
Humbling and chilling. You know, sometimes you have a chill day with babe. Not every day you make it rain. You know, you and your husband come on the live. Sometimes you just want to lay back and let me massage his feet and drink some wine and, you know, just enjoy life.
I hope I keep him for 1 year.
Because you
Vanny may say you can't keep, man.
You don't got no smoke for me. Let your points keep up. Let's go.
All right. We are going, you know. We are going, man. Better. If me win, I send more lion.
You know, do better. You have to do better now before the match start. You know, do better.
All right.
What is it now?
All right, Slim, drop your glove on 30 seconds.
30 seconds, chat. Don't let this younger generation outdate you guys. Work together when the gloves drop.
Yeah.
Gloves. Everybody wear. No rules for the gloves, team.
Come on, chat. Use the glove, chat. Use the glove, chat. Please use the gloves. Chat, use the gloves, chat. Use the gloves. Christ, chat. Come on, chat. Use the gloves. Somebody can't use the gloves. Somebody can't use the gloves. Somebody. Anybody.
All the points now move. All right, Sita move the Eddie. I am phenomenal. Use it, my team. Bombo.
Go on again.
Snipe again, shot. Snipe.
One again.
Jesus Christ.
That is done.
I won one that you just Gotcha. MVP Eddie. I am phenomenal, forever blessed.
Roblin, thank you.
Deja Gavin 6 boss, baby.
Roblin, get the gloves.
I
Mark,
want
thank
one that them get a gloves, we now no gloves now. Bomba clot. We did know. Alright, chat. Good game, guys. On the recharge. Don't make them win that one. Come, guys. Everybody work together. Work together. Work together.